Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into luxury motorhomes and high-end design that makes the open road feel like a 5-star resort, then you're going to love what I've got today. Mercedes-Maybach, yeah, the same brand known for creating some of the most opulent cars on earth, is stepping back into the motorhome game. And this time, they're doing it in true Maybach fashion. Introducing the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a $2 million masterpiece that's redefining what luxury on wheels really means. Now, let's be honest, when you hear the name Maybach, you already know it's not going to be ordinary. This motorhome isn't just about traveling from point A to point B. It's about how you get there with elegance, comfort, and that signature Maybach calmness that feels like you're gliding instead of driving. The first thing that'll catch your eye is the design. It's unmistakably Maybach. Sleek, confident, and beautifully balanced. The front fascia borrows cues from their top-tier sedans. That bold, vertical chrome grille, narrow LED headlights, and a long, sculpted hood that gives it this commanding presence on the road. The body lines are soft but muscular, flowing all the way to the back, where a full-length LED light bar ties the design together. And get this, the paint options aren't your standard motorhome choices. We're talking two-tone Maybach finishes, metallic champagne gold over obsidian black, or pearl white over deep sapphire blue. It looks less like an RV and more like a private jet that somehow found its way onto a highway. Under the hood, or should I say beneath the cabin, things get even more interesting. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome runs on a plug-in hybrid setup that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 with electric motors. It delivers an insane amount of torque, enough to move this luxury villa effortlessly up a mountain road without even raising the revs. The hybrid system also means you can drive short distances silently in full electric mode, perfect for gliding through campgrounds or arriving at a scenic viewpoint without disturbing nature or your neighbors. And when it's time to hit the highway, that V8 quietly kicks in, giving you that smooth, endless power that Mercedes is famous for. Efficiency, power, and silence, all rolled into one. And here's the part that really surprised me. It's not just built for paved roads. Maybach gave this thing an adaptive air suspension system that can raise or lower the vehicle depending on where you are. So if you're pulling off the main highway and heading into a more rugged spot, maybe a desert plateau or a forest road, the suspension lifts up, giving you more clearance and confidence. There's even an intelligent traction control system that automatically senses the terrain and adjusts the power distribution to keep you stable. It's not exactly a rock crawler, but for a luxury motorhome, it's surprisingly capable. It's like your mansion just got off our road privileges. But let's talk about what you really came for, the interior. And oh man, this is where Maybach goes completely over the top in the best way possible. The moment you step inside, it feels like you've entered a penthouse suite on wheels. The craftsmanship is next level. You're surrounded by fine Nappa leather, hand-stitched diamond patterns, ambient lighting that wraps softly around the edges, and real wood veneers polished to a mirror finish. The color palette is pure elegance. Think cream, mocha brown, and satin silver trims that feel warm and expensive. The lounge area looks like something straight out of a design magazine. There's a pair of swiveling recliner seats with built-in massage and cooling, a panoramic smart glass window that can tint at the touch of a button, and a hidden 65-inch OLED display that folds down from the ceiling for movie nights. The sound system? It's a custom 3D Burmester setup that can literally make you forget you're in a motorhome. It's like a luxury cinema on wheels. It can be elegant, connected, sustainable, and still outrageously beautiful. What do you think? Would you take this Maybach motorhome for a cross-country trip? Or is it just a dream machine for the ultra-rich? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury RVs, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and stick around. I've got some insane upcoming reviews on futuristic campers and concept motorhomes that'll blow your mind. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep chasing that road ahead in style.